only one, because I kind of like that. In fact, I do like it.
Bruce? Bruce? You gonna get Blaze? You gonna get the kitty? You gonna get him? You gonna get Blaze? Oh. Is that your Blazy? He loves his Blaze.
Wants to play.
He does.
Oh, is that your Blaze?
Whoa, be nice. Hey, be nice.
He's fine. Oh, Blaze, are you upset about that one?
Mama, can you...
Mm-hmm.
What? 702. Oh, that's alright. This is the peak of the fire.
Alright, I'm ready to do something.
Oh, Blaze, did you like that from Bruce? Was he giving you kitties, kissies? He was giving you mouthies? Oh, Bruce, do you love your Blaze cat? Do you love your kitties?
He's in pain.
He loves his kitties. Go get him, Bruce. Go get him. Go get him.
Go get him.
Get the kid.
Go get him.
Go get him.
Go get him, boy. Come on.
Go get him. Go get him, boy. Get him.
Good luck.
He's fine, Daddy.
Nice.
He's fine. Poor boy. He was having fun.
So what's his name?
Daddy took away his fun.